Hey, folks out there. I'm posting this video in response to a number of comments I've received about the Element M15 Bayliner propeller. So obviously the boat here is in the garage, and I'm just gonna come around and I'll show you. So the issue we've had with this boat is planing with 4 people. It just doesn't get up on a plane, and with 4 adults. And so we tried a new propeller. So the propeller that came with the boat is 4 blades, and we switched to a 3-blade prop, and we found that it planes better. You just get up to a plane. And so the question is, what is the prop? So here's the box that it came. It's Mercury Propellers, Black Max, and there's the number right there. So you can read that, and it's made in USA, and it seems to have helped the performance of the boat with this 3-blader here. And, it's a 50 horse. So I know if you own this boat and you're having some issues getting up the plane, you might want to try the 3-blader. There you have it, right there.